About to drop these in the door. My door speakers went out, so I got some more coming in. Not nothing too powerful and crazy, but just to fill a gap. Cause right now, the only sound I got is from the rear deck. So I want that full sound back. Nice little grill on it. So if I have to cut holes in my door panels in case something don't fit, these will be good. It got the grill, another adapter with it, then the actual door speaker, nice cone on it. Can't wait. I'll show you how it goes when I install it. All right, so this is what I'm doing now. I just got the inner door panel off so I could get to my speaker that's blown, and I'm probably take the speaker home, solder the connector onto the new speaker and change them out that way. But I just wanted to get it out the door while I can, so that way once it's all done I could just plug it, play, and that'd be it. But yeah, it was pretty simple. Couple clips, couple screws, and that was about it though. Got the door panel off. Oops. Whew. Almost scratched it. All right. Yep, that's the door panel. So it's pretty simple. All right, so I got the door speaker pulled out. I taped the actual speaker wire back here to stay out the way. What I'm going to do, this is the door speaker. The voice coils are fried, so I tested it on the multimeter and it ohmed out on me, so we didn't get a reading. All right, so I got my other door panel back on without the speaker in it. Now I'm on this side and I'm just getting a visual of the 3 cables that I'll be disconnecting here, because the other one only had 1 cable in this section. So that's all. I just wanted to see what that was and take note. But I already got the inside cover popped off. I got the 10mm bolt popped out. Got those out, so we getting there. About to put the door panel back on, then I'll be home. I just wanted to get this done before sundown. I got to pull the speaker out because it's blown. So I got the driver's side door panel off. Man, this thing was a pain. Let me tell you, I got everything off easy except this. It has this big clip right here, but it's these 2 little wings. See if I can point to it. That wing and that wing. The 2 little things right there just gave me a world of trouble, but I got it, man. Good luck. All right, so let me give you a tour real quick. I put the foam surrounds from my old speakers. I glued them on to the edges of here just for more cushion in the door with less vibration. I'm pulling this door panel off now. I just took out the last screw. I just got to lift it up. I'll hook some connections over here. Already got that speaker installed. Perfect fit. It's not touching the window at all, not close. I got the wires behind it taped out the way. And yeah, so that panel's off. Speaker installed. I'm gonna pop this one in. Then I'm gonna put both panels back on. I'm ready to go. So yeah, here's the door panel. I already popped it off. Pop this one in there. Perfect fit. That's the stock screw up top. But yeah, ready to go. So I just popped the last door panel off. That's it right there. About to pop my speaker in, but I got the gaffer tape here and got my speaker cable taped out the way, so when I clip them back in, won't be in danger of hitting the window or anything. Wires out the way, everything ready to go. All right, so we got success. Sound on the right door, sound on the left door. All my speakers is back. Got my sub and my amp. Now we're gonna see what this baby could do. Sub is ready to go. I just got it on a station with noise just so I don't have any copyright issues when I post this. And that's it. We done, baby. Door panels back. Subs ready to get cranked. See what we could do.